Right, don't come at me. Your girl is Puerto Rican, but she does not like bacalaitos. Nena, ¿qué? But I have the next best thing, Pollo-litos. Same thing, just shredded chicken instead of bacalao. Now you can be all fancy and make your own chicken and then shred it, but I'm using the one from the can, don't hate. This chicken is not looking Spanish enough, so let's season it up. Make sure it's a little saltier than you usually season it, and I'll let you know why in a bit. First up, some Badia Complete seasoning. I like to add a sprinkle of some ground cumin. Also a little bit of cayenne, not too spicy. Girl, what even is a Puerto Rican dish without some adobo Goya? Trust the process, we're adding salt. Yes, I know it looks salty, but trust me. Next up, some white pepper. You can also use black pepper if that's what you have. Sofrito is obviously a must in this dish. If you don't know how to make it, just look at my profile. The recipe is there. Now add 1 packet of sazon Goya and another packet of some chicken bouillon. Bouillon, I love that word. That color is looking divine. My sofrito has diced fancy pimientos in it, but I like to add a little bit more. And now for my most favorite ingredient, cilantro. Cilantrillo. Okay, our chicken is done. I'm gonna cool it down with some ice cubes, but you can also just let it cool down patiently like a normal person. Do not skip this step. Please cool down your chicken. If you put it into the flour mix hot, the pollolitos will turn out horrible. I learned that the hard way. After the chicken is cooled down, we're gonna add about a cup of flour into a bowl. Dump in your chicken. Then lastly, add about a cup of water. I like to make my mix a little bit thinner so that they can fry better. I'll show you later. But right now I'm mixing it up and I'm adding water as I go, just testing to make sure that it's the right consistency. This is the reason we make our chicken a little bit saltier. The water will take away from the flavor and we can't have that happening, no. Add about 1 inch of oil to your pan. Make sure it's on medium-high heat. That sound is so unhealthy, but I love it. Once the edges start turning that nice golden brown color, we turn them over. And after a few more seconds, we pull them out and let them sit on a plate with a napkin to drain out the excess oil. Listen to the crispiness. Tell me that doesn't look just like a bacalaito. Enjoy!